Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Hub with Himanshu. In this video, we will learn behavior and reuse of OOPS concept. So let's start with methods. Instance method take self as their first parameter and can read or change state. Methods are defined like normal functions but live inside the class body. Calling object dot method argument automatically passes object in as self. Method can return a value, print output or update attributes in place. Keep each method focused on a single clear responsibility. Now let's we have worked code example class bank account. We define then initialize with init self comma balance equal to 0. Self dot balance equal to balance. Define deposit self comma amount. Self dot balance plus equal to amount. We define withdraw self comma amount. If amount less than equal to self dot balance, self dot balance minus equal to amount, else print insufficient funds. Account equal to bank account 500, account dot deposit 200, account dot withdraw 100, print account dot balance. We will get output as 600 if we do this program. For practice coding questions, you will do add a show balance method that neatly prints the account balance. Write a transfer method that moves money between two accounts. Add validation so deposit rejects negative amounts with an error message. Inheritance. A child class inherits the attributes and methods of a parent class. Syntax is class child parent sets up the relationship. Super.init calls the parent's constructor from inside the child. Child classes can add brand new attributes and methods of their own. Inheritance promotes reuse and models real world is a relationship. Now let's we have worked code example. Class animal we define initialize self comma name. Then we do self dot name equal to name. We define speak equal to speak. I return f self dot name makes a sound. Class dog animal we define speak self. Then we return self dot name and barks. Then we define variable a equal to animal generic animal d equal to dog Tommy print a dot speak print b dot speak. So we will get output as generic animal makes a sound Tommy barks. A practice coding question you will create a vehicle parent class and a car child class that adds a brand attribute. Second is use super dot initialize inside car constructor to reuse vehicle setup logic. Add two more animal subclasses cat comma cow each overriding speaks differently. Now overriding methods we have a class can redefine a parent method using the exact same name. The subclass's version replaces the parent whenever called on that subclass. Super method still lets you call the parent original version if needed. Overriding enables polymorphism. One method name, many class subject behaviors. This differs from overloading, which Python does not support natively. Worked code example class shape we define area self return 0. Now we will do class square shape. Now we define and initialize self side. Then self dot side equal to side. We define area as self. We return self dot side square. Define circle shape. We define initialize self radius. Self dot radius equal to radius. Define area self. We return round 3.14159 into self dot radius square 2. Shape equal to square of 4 circle of 3. For C in shapes we will get output as 16 and 28.27 as output. For practice problem we will do override underscore string underscore in a class so that print object shows a custom message. Create a bird class overriding fly, then a penguin subclass overriding it again. Use super dot area inside a subclass to add extra area on top of the parent result. Now we will start with section 3, that is encapsulation, data hiding and abstraction. Data hiding and abstraction. Data hiding restrict direct outside access to an object internal attributes. A single underscore variable is a convention meaning protected internal use. A double underscore variable triggers name mangling for stronger privacy. Now, next, abstraction exposes only necessary public methods hiding implementation details. The ABC module with at the rate abstract method define formal abstraction base classes. Now we have code example class account. Then we define initializes self balance set dot balance equal to balance. We define get underscore balance self return self underscore balance. We define deposit self dot amount self dot underscore balance plus equal to amount. Then we define variable as ACC equal to account of 1000. ACC dot deposit 500. Print ACC dot get underscore balance. Print ACC dot underscore account underscore balance. They will get output as 1500 and 1500. Practice coding question. Explain why SSC dot underscore balance raises an attribute error when accessed directly. Create a class with a private attribute plus public getter and certain matter. Use abc dot capital ABC and at the rate abstract method to define an abstract shape class with an area method. So we have done all the concepts of unit number 5. Let's recap thinking in object. Classes are blueprints, objects are instances built from them. Constructor init set up each object on starting state. Method define behavior inheritance lets subclasses reuse and extended. Overriding enables polymorphism, data hiding, and abstraction protect internals. So, up to now, we have done all the concepts of unit number 5. If you get content better than other and explanation, so please like and subscribe to my channel and give motivation to me so that I can make more video and more helpful video for you so that you can improve for your future to give exam very easily and in Viva. We will do in next video many coding problems, Viva and MCQs of this unit. So thank you. Have a nice day.